Valley couponer. Here's the ad. I've been waiting for JCPenney. Yes, I've been wanting JCPenney. I really like JCPenney a lot. And some of the things here are great deals. I do want to mention, don't want to be throwing shade at them, but you literally can go to Kohl's and buy a lot of these same things and have it tracked towards Kohl's Cash. JCPenney, you're really not tracking towards anything. I love JCPenney, like I really do, but some of the things are better to get at Kohl's because of the extra Kohl's cash back. And we'll talk about that. So, yeah, that's what we're going to do. So, let's dive right in. So, we have $29.99 for air fryer after mail-in rebate. That's the cheapest I have seen as of yet. So, JCPenney's winning there. $59.99 for some Keurigs. $2.99 for Home Expressions towels. I don't think Kohl's had that this year. I don't remember seeing that at Kohl's. Don't think so. So that's something to get over at JCPenney. And then boots for $20. Same at Kohl's. So here's a good thing JCPenney's does do. They will give you coupons. So if you go into JCPenney, stand in line, you're one of the first people to walk through the door, you will get either a 500 off 500, 100 off 100, or 10 off 10. And that is so thrilling. I did that once with Outer Beerman. I stood out line for 2 hours, and I did only get a 10 off 10. But, yeah. But it was so much fun. So, I don't know if I'll do JCPenney. I don't know when our Thanksgiving meal is going to be. But if there's a chance that I'll be available, I'll be at JCPenney. So, this is actually going to run through Saturday, which I think is really cool at JCPenney to do that. So if you miss out at something over at Kohl's, you could head over to JCPenney and score. So the kitchen electrics, I don't think are good deals. For the simple reason that at Kohl's, you're going to get Kohl's cash. So I would pass on that at JCPenney. Now, I don't remember seeing like these dishware sets over at JCPenney. You can get a 40-piece dinner set for $30. That's a really great price. Really great deal. And if you get the 10 off 10 or 100 off 100, you're really going to score. I don't remember seeing this at JCPenney, I don't remember seeing this at Kohl's either. The $20 knives. I do not remember seeing that at Kohl's because I looked and I didn't see it. So, yeah. I would do that at JCPenney. And then $10 after mail-in. Oh, it's after mail-in rebates, but that's expected. You will get back a $10 mail-in rebate, making the Adidas lunch bag $10. For Adidas, not too shabby. Okay, cookware over at JCPenney. I'm not too excited about the cookware stuff because, again, that's at Kohl's, and a $50 thing would give you Kohl's cash. So, yeah. I don't know why they do mail-in rebates. It's so annoying. This is good. $39.99 for the luggage set. I believe Kohl's does have the same thing. Keep that in mind. But maybe you want to do it over at JCPenney. Alrighty. What else we got? Alright, lots of luggage. And what else? Okay. Again, the robot vacuum. That's at Kohl's, and you get the Kohl's cash. So why not just get it at Kohl's? I like JCPenney though, so I hate to be like throwing shade on them, but it's the truth. I mean, I'm trying to tell you guys, give you a heads up. Alright, and we got some Dirt Devil irons. Oh, and a vacuum there for $10. I did not see that at Kohl's. So, that's good. The pet bed and the air mattress. That's good for the air mattress, actually. $29.99 after a $10 mail-in rebate. I believe Kmart has the air mattress for that same price. So take your pick. Now, Kmart has the pet beds for $8. So if you don't have a Kmart store, you can do it online. And Kmart ad will be up at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Planning on having one of these videos go up every couple hours today because there's so many ads to cover. It's like crazy. JCPenney 2-pack pillows, $20. So some of the stuff JCPenney has is a lot different than Kohl's. So that's where variances will come in. So we got to keep that in mind. All right. So let's keep on going here. Lots of stuff. This is kind of just repeating what we already looked at. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, 60% off holiday decor. Lots of Christmas decor items. $15 for a wreath. It's regularly $40. That's good. Kohl's did not have it that cheap. The Christmas trees, not too excited about that. Kmart and Target both had killer deals on Christmas trees. More stuff here. All right, bedding. That's good. $25 for an any size comforter. I don't even think Kohl's was that cheap. I could be wrong, but I don't even think Kohl's was that cheap on that. So that's good. They have the quilt sets. No, I'm not seeing it yet. Good deals so far. That's great for the bedding, and Kohl's did not have that, so I'm happy with that at JCPenney. The pillows for $3. They do that everywhere. The memory foam thing, that's the same over at Kohl's. So if you want to go to Kohl's and get the Kohl's cash, go for it. Yep. Mattress toppers. Is that it for bedding? They didn't have a whole lot of bedding. No, we're getting into more of that. I figured that wasn't it. Sheet sets for $14. I do not remember seeing that at Kohl's. I could be wrong. Could be wrong. No, I guess not. Okay, curtains, $10. Wow. Yeah, Kohl's didn't have that. That's the thing about Black Friday. You got to pick and choose and figure out and really study what you want and where it's the best price at, and just be willing to run around and get it. That's kind of how Black Friday is. It's kind of a challenge, but I love the challenge. Okay, more stuff here. And more stuff here. Jewelry. 36-month special finance. Watches are on sale. $24.99 for a kid's watch. And $50 for a smartwatch. JCPenney's a very good place to get stuff like that, usually. Lots of just jewelry items. Okay, now we're into the kids items, so like baby supplies. This is great. $4 for some looks like pajamas for babies and toddlers. $4. That's awesome pricing. I think that's great. $20 for a baby sweater vest. $20.99 for a baby's dress. Very good prices. Have to sit and study Kohl's again. Go watch the Kohl's video because I feel like they're very similar. And you can compare and contrast and see what you think. The puffer jacket is a lot cheaper at Kmart. You can do Kmart online. They're $9, so that's something to consider. Okay. More kids clothes. Very cheap, it looks like, for kids clothes. And especially if you get... Oh, if I got a 500 off 500, I couldn't even... That'd be so epic. It looks like there's really big savings here on clothes. Everyone seems to be doing really good clothing deals. So moving into guy stuff now. Yeah. Okay. Good prices. Joggers. I've been wanting some of those. So $20. It's a great deal, actually. 50% off of Disney One toys. Not really used to JCPenney having toys, but I guess I branched out to be more like Kohl's. That's pretty decent. And there apparently is going to be... Oh, there's the coupons. There might be more coupons. You can even get coupons in the mail. JCPenney is notorious for sending mailer coupons, so they could even send out a 30% off or something like that. We don't know that yet. So... keep in mind things could change as time goes on with JCPenney and prices. I've gone to JCPenney on Friday, on actual Black Friday after the big Thanksgiving hustle and bustle, and I've literally gotten the same stuff. So I'm hoping they haven't run out. So they're pretty good at stocking stuff too. So don't get discouraged if you can't go on Thanksgiving Day. You can go get some of these deals later. And I'm liking the clothes prices. I want to see dress shirts. Hopefully we've not come across those yet. They're going to sell Brookstone items. Kind of expensive. But that's Brookstone, right? That's expensive. Okay, lots of novelty gifts. Look like they're on sale. A gaming chair for $50. That's good. A wireless earbuds, $14.99. Best price yet. Same as CVS. So this beats Kohl's. Kohl's is $25. So to get this at JCPenney for $15, great deal. If you don't feel like going to CVS, go ahead and get it at JCPenney. Especially if you got a coupon over at JCPenney. Awesome. Great deal. I'm really impressed with them. They're really trying. I mean, they got some good stuff here. Gaming headset. Oh, I don't want to pass that. Gaming headset, $10. $10. That's great. Great deal. I love this. If you want to get really smart, you can buy $100 of JCPenney gift cards and get a 25 off 25 coupon. So here's how you should work this. If you're spending at least $100, go in JCPenney, go up to the register, and buy a $100 gift card. Buy a $100 gift card, and you'll get a $25 coupon back to use. Oh, wait. This is going before. So here, okay. The gift card thing is going now, apparently, through November 24th. So if you do the gift cards, you'll get that now. That's what it says. I'm confused. Whatever. And then you get a 25 coupon. You can use that during Black Friday. So if you're going to spend at least $100 on Black Friday, you should go ahead and get the gift card because you get a free coupon back. So it's really a good deal. Got some pants here, sport coats, suit jacket and pants, $100. That is the same over at Kohl's, and there where you would actually get $30 in Kohl's cash. So suits are better at Kohl's. Curious what their prices are going to be. $30 for an Adidas hoodie is a deal. So that's a good deal. I might go do that. I like that hoodie a lot, actually. I feel like I'm going to buy that hoodie. I need some tennis shoes. I don't know how much those are going to be. Nike joggers or thermo pants, $35. Those are pretty nice pants. That's a lot of money for some pants, though, so I don't see myself getting that. $25 or 25% off of Nike and Adidas. So 25% off. Pretty standard for Nikes. I'm going to see if another sometimes Shoe Carnival will do good deals. Okay, they're going to do 50% off kids' toys. I'm impressed with JCPenney. I actually see a lot here at JCPenney that I want. For sure. So. Oh yeah, representing Ohio State. Awesome. Good prices here. More toys. Oh, baby. This is baby supplies. Some of this. It's like they vary. Okay. Exertion. That's a JCPenney brand. Men's puffer vest for $15. That's a great price. Oh my gosh, $10 for a hoodie. That's a really good deal. I do not think Kohl's had $10 for a hoodie. I'm excited. I think JCPenney's got some good clothes. $15 for joggers. Oh my gosh, that's cheap. Yes, I will be shopping at JCPenney for sure. I've not seen that at Kohl's. Okay, now they're back to kids' clothes. I like to bounce around. Okay, let's keep on looking here. So now we got more kids' items. I'm impressed with them. I really am. I'm impressed with JCPenney. Okay, so they're going to do the gift card promo again, but you're not going to be able to use your coupons until December, so that changes things. I need to look. If a store's got a JCPenney promo, I need to go get a gift card because I'm going to, for sure, buy stuff at JCPenney. No doubt about it. I want that Adidas hoodie, and I want the joggers for $15. This, wow. Just look at the discounts. 70% off, 60% off. It just, the deals are so good. Now, I've not seen the $15 for the little boots yet. No, they're not doing that. So that's something to consider. JCPenney will not be doing the $15 little boots unless it's later in the ad, but they're not doing it as of yet. So keep that in mind. That's at Kohl's they are, and Target and not Target. I think it was Kmart. I don't 100% remember. $15 and under on these Sephora. So if you got Sephora inside of JCPenney. Let's keep on looking. Now they're into like Paul Mitchell. Couponers don't pay for that stuff, but if you want Paul Mitchell, there you go. Handbags for $15. It's a lot of stuff here. $2 for gloves. They are going to be $1 at Target, so that's something to consider. But these are touch screens, and touch screen ones make a difference. I would pay more for a touch screen. Those aren't guys' gloves though, so. But I would pay more for touch screen. Socks, slippers for $7. Good. I'm ready to see the guy stuff. Hopefully they get into guys. More sleepwear. $15 for robes, and they of course have this kind of stuff I'm not even going to talk about. And more. Okay, they got leggings for women for $5. It's pretty good. Cheaper than that LuLaRoe stuff. Okay, we're looking at more juniors. I don't know if they're going to show us guys sleepwear or not. It's not looking like it. I'm hoping they'd have like guys gloves and like the guys sleep pants and all that. Jeans 10. Wow, that's good. I feel like JCPenney is cheaper than Kohl's on a lot of things. I think you're just going to, especially clothing. So I feel like you're going to just have to sit down and look at what clothes you need or want and then base it off that. But Kohl's does have some good clothing deals, so I'm pumped. It is going to be awesome. I'm planning, I don't know if I'm going to go out on Thanksgiving Day or not. I just don't know if it fits in my schedule, but I definitely plan on going out at Thanksgiving night. So, or not Thanksgiving night, Friday morning, like 5 a.m. would be kind of what I want to do. So I feel like that's what I want to do. But I'm a little annoyed they open at 2 p.m. at JCPenney. Frustrates me. Oh. Okay, what else do we got here? More items here. And finally, more items here. So yes, that's all. And I'm pretty excited about JCPenney. I feel like they got some good stuff. The earbuds is great price. A lot of those clothes. This gaming headset, great stuff. The kitchen electrics is good, but it's better at Kohl's because of the Kohl's cash. So that's all I got.